Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to show you what I got from Meeden. Meeden sent me this beautiful little storage box to store your art supplies in. Let's see what we got here. It's got a handle, nice wood. So these slide open. And then they close. And inside, there's room for paintbrushes, pens. Put paintbrushes in that side, or whatever you like. It slides in. And the other side opens the same. The other side's divided differently. So you can put a number of things in here. You can put in little small tubes of paint. You can put in like a sponge, different things. That, and then it opens up, and there's some compartments here. So I would put in, this would be good for these small little tubes of paint. And they're easy to see, easy to find. These are watercolor. There's another one back here, some smaller one here. You can put pens in. Close this up. And then there's another one. There's a drawer right here. This would be good to carry if you want to take your paint somewhere. You can put your palettes in here. You can put more paints in here. I have the Meeden acrylic tubes. They would fit in here. No, they don't fit in there. You could put in your pencils. Flatter things. Or you could put in pads of paper to carry with you. Let's see how this goes. It slides in, and they've got some little locks here. That's very cool. It's not too heavy. I guess once you put everything in, it's a little bit, but it's a nice carry case. You can take wherever you like. Thank you, Meeden. And if you want to buy one of these or check out my description in my video, I have a discount code for Meeden. And there's a link in the description under my videos. There you go. Thanks for watching.